Hello and welcome back to Office Boost. In today's video, we are going to explore one of Excel's frequently used formula, the if function. Whether you are dealing with simple comparisons or more complex decisions, the if formula will help you to automate tasks and save time. So let's dive into writing. So first of all, we will understand what is the if formula. The if formula in Excel allow you to perform a logical test and return one value condition true and another value condition is false. The syntax of if function is simple. There are three syntax: the logical test, value if true, and value if false. The first syntax is logical test, where we will mention our condition, what condition will be provided, and then after the second is a value if true. If the condition is true, then we will provide a value that we need, and the third one is a value if false. And the third condition, if the condition is false, then it will return this value. So here are these three conditions. Let's take a simple example. Suppose you have a list of student name and their marks, and on the basis of that you want to clarify the pass and fail on the basis of marks. So what you will do using Excel's if formula, we've already seen that what are the syntax of if formula. So let's write the if formula. So first of all, I will add a header or cell. If the student marks is less than 50, he will fail, or the student marks is greater than 50, he will pass. So let's try to write a formula is equal to if, I'll select the cell and then after write the condition, greater than or is equal to 50. Then the second syntax is value if true. If this condition is true, then it should be pass. You must have to mention values in inverted comma. If you are using a cell reference, then you need to use inverted comma. But if you are mentioning a specific word in a formula, you must have to write characters or any value in inverted comma except numbers. So if the condition is true, then it will show me pass. Else, third syntax, if the value is false, I want it to write a fail. I will write in inverted comma and close bracket and enter. And this way I will get, and I will copy this and paste for all. This way I am getting number of students who are pass and fail. Here was the simple example of if function in Excel. Here is the next example with the more conditions and more complex situation where we will use the nested if. So let's start it. For example, we want to give a grade on the basis of the marks. If the student have 80 marks, we will give him a grade. If the student have a marks between 50 to 80, we will give him a B grade. And if the student have a marks less or below 50, we will give him a C grade. So what should we do to get this formula done? So let's start here. So by writing a formula, we will use a nested if. So I'm writing a formula is equal to if, I'll provide a cell reference. So if score is greater than 80, then we'll give him A grade. If student have a score between 50 to 80, then we will provide him a C grade. So cell reference greater than 50, then we will provide him B grade. And at the last, if student have a less than 50 marks, he will get a C grade. In last, we will mention C. So, and close the parenthesis and I will enter now. So now copy and paste. So now we can see here, student who have is equal to or less than 50 have a C grade. If the student have a score between 50 to 80, then student have a B grade. If the student have a greater than 80, then we provided A grade for those kind of students. So this way you can use a nested if, and it will be used for a more complex situation. It reduces our manual work and saves our time. Thank you for watching till end. Please share and subscribe my channel. Hit the like button to get notification on my new video.